Okay, here we go. Another scratch that itch, that scratch build. This is Christmas Ornament Selection Set 40744. Currently available $12.99. This is small set, easy enough. Pieces 153. This is for age 6+. I'll read you the brief description. Unleash a flurry of creativity this holiday season with the LEGO Christmas Ornament Selection, a 40744 building set for girls and boys aged 6 and up, which lets kids create 4 hanging decorations to treasure forever. Kids will love building the ornaments before decorating them with iconic Christmas motifs. A Christmas gift, Santa Claus, a reindeer, and a snowman. So you get 4, which is cool. The gift ornament is topped with a bow. The Santa ornament wears a hat and has a white beard. The snowman ornament stays toasty in a scarf and has a carrot nose. And the reindeer ornament has decorated antlers. So there you go. Very, very small set. 4 hanging decorations for your tree or whatever, wherever you want to put them. I thought this would be an interesting one. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Okay. Right, so 4 bags, 4 ornaments. So it looks like you can give one to each child if there's more than one child. So 4 little bags. That's cool. Bag 1, 2 stands there. Well, not stands, but backings. That looks like that is for the snowman and the present. Okay, those 2 there. And then you get the small manual, which just doesn't give any information, just how to build. So there you go. Awesome. That's going to one side because I have the PDF. So I'm going to start the build. This I think is going to be nice, cheap, fun little build. And when I finished it, I'll show you the finished product and my opinion. Is it worth it? Was it fun? Will the kids enjoy it? Did I enjoy it? Smash the like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you shortly.
A few moments later.
Okay, well that was really quick. Okay, number 1 is the snowman. He's very cool. I like him. I like his nose, his hat, his scarf. Nice and colourful. So really easy to hang up, obviously, with this on the top. That's cool. Likey. Okay, that's the first one. Reindeer is probably one of my favourites. I did cheat a little bit. As you can see, he's very cool, but I gave him a red nose. There's a spare red, and the instructions show you to do brown. Well, apparently I've been told by somebody at LEGO that the basically the red-nosed reindeer is copyrighted for some reason. So Rudolph, I'm having Rudolph, I don't care, copyright that. I like him, he's very cool with his decorations. Then we have the presents. Again, nice and colourful, really cool. But I mean, these are sturdy, very, very sturdy, they're awesome. So hanging those up in your tree would be really awesome. And then probably the other favourite has got to be Father Christmas Santa, aka Baba Noel in Turkish. He's really cool. He looks chubby. I love his beard and his hat detail. It's very cool. Really, really nice. And of course, all 3 of them are just different colours, which is also nice. I like very much. I'm trying to get all of these up with 2 hands so you can see them all. There you go. There. So nice and colourful on your tree, on your doors, in the kids' bedrooms, wherever you want. Really good. Love it. It literally didn't take me more than probably 30 minutes. Not even that. I don't know. 30 minutes. I'll have a look at the recording later, but it was very awesome, very easy. Now I have these 4 with the previous 4 I did. we're sorted for the Christmas tree. Nice. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. See you in the next one. Next one is going to be a bigger build in the next couple of days. Thanks very much. See you later. Have a good day.